Hello friends, today we will see how to download any material from Scribd website. It will be either PDF or document or PPT, anything we can download freely. First of all, you can search it whatever material you want. I am searching Python material. Here lot of PDFs will be shown. Whatever you want, choose any material. This is the Python study material. Now let's see how to download this PDF. Open new tab and search Scribd downloader. Choose click on this second one, ppdfs.com. Here in search bar, copy the all link, paste it here. Tap download icon. Tap download video. It will redirect it to another website. Wait until the timer will be completed. Again download PDF, click on that. Here it will be processing. Wait until completing the process. Completed very quickly within 1 minute. Tap download. Here download icon is there. Click on download. Close. Click on save. This will be downloaded. The Python material. Where you can download simply any material, PDF or PPT or anything. Thank you so much.